Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:22 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Reagan National Airport, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, National Harbor, Fort Hunt, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning.
Very first marine warning activation on my 12-254. Because the past two marine warnings that I've got, one over KHB 29 last July of 2023, and also a marine warning that I got a few days ago from KHB 36. The 254 didn't activate for KHB 29 because it wasn't at a decodable signal. In fact, it was at a iffy one, I'd say. Have a video of it. But anyway, that was KHB 29. And for KHB 36, this was at a decodable signal for KHB 36 when I got the marine warning on that. But the thing was that I put a county mode that didn't have the counties that, or FIPS codes that the marine warning had. So as a result, this didn't activate even despite being at a decent signal for it. And well, I also have a video of that. It's an audio recording though. But yeah, those two times that I've gotten a marine warning, which this radio hasn't activated for. Now I'm on WNG736, and as you can see, it did activate, and for its first time for a marine warning. And going back to what I had said about the marine warnings I got on KHB 29 and KHB 36, this makes this marine warning off of WNG736 be my third ever marine warning. So as you can tell, I don't get marine warnings too often, and I've only gotten 3. This is my third one by far. Oh, and also something else too. So far, just like how this is my third ever marine warning catch, this is also my third ever alert ever since I hopped into DC. Because Tuesday of this week, when I first dropped by DC, I got a marine warning off of KHB 36, which, as I mentioned earlier, didn't get this radio to activate because I put in a county mode that didn't have the counties of that marine warning product. But yeah, that, and also weekly tests from yesterday off of WNG736, the same station which I got this marine warning on, as not only my third ever marine warning by far so far, but also my third ever alert ever since I came into DC, so far at least.